My name is Florence Tan. I am the SAM electrical lead engineer, but now I'm working as the SAM payload uplink lead and the payload downlink lead, supporting operations on Mars. SAM is an instrument on the rover Curiosity. It's actually, I think of it, SAM, as a nose. You know, it's like a very sensitive nose. It can sniff out different Martian components, you know, air as well as soil samples, to really tease out the secrets of Mars. The way SAM gets a sample is first of all sifted by the rover, and then we get a tiny small amount, you know, a dollop, into one of our 74 cups, which is actually in a carousel, and then we take the sample and it gets put into an oven. And the oven gets heated up to about 1,000 degrees, and it can go as high as 1,100 degrees when we run the hot oven option, and this is Celsius, you know, not your regular oven. And then it goes, the gas that comes out gets flown into these 3 instruments that analyzes data. SAM is very similar to a very well-equipped lab on Earth, except, you know, we're special, we're on Mars. You know, this is something that you know, I didn't appreciate until I polled one of the scientists and I asked him, you know, when was the last time we did a quadrupole mass spectrometer on Mars? And it was like, you know, maybe 35 years ago. And you know, so this is really special. We never had something like this. There's no comparison. SAM is working just so marvelously. It is, you know, it is beyond our dreams. This is marvelous. I just can't even tell you how great it is. It's great.